Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to the official Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra leaks. We have ton of stuff to talk about. A lot of things has been happened this week and some unpacked release date news, and finally Samsung is teasing something regarding the Exynos AMD GPU about the device. But before we talk about all of that, it's time to welcome back the premiumness of the Samsung Galaxy S22 because the gloss is back. Yes, according to Exynos, Samsung is finally bringing the gloss material back for the Galaxy S22 model, not just the Ultra. Guys, no plastic whatsoever this time, and they have decided to go all premium. I'm saying this because there is still so much stuff that we don't know, like the official poster of the S22 Ultra, which reveals a brand new color. Yes, what you are looking at is the official poster for the Galaxy S22 Ultra. As you can see, the name, which is probably still the S22 Ultra, it won't be the Note. Importantly, in the images you can see that the design of the both S22 Ultra as well as the S22 Plus in full glory. Before that, we already know that there are four color options for the S22 Ultra, which was a red, green, black and white. And now we have this new turquoise brown color as well. Well, the poster also reveals that the S Pen is also available. So if that poster is true, then it is confirmed that the S Pen is coming pre-built inside the S22 Ultra. Also, you can see the design for the Galaxy S22 Plus in the poster, which is really going to be a refined variant for the S21 Plus device. Also in the news, we have seen the green color for the S22 Ultra in previous week, and now we have a new color options like the product red color, which give us pretty much good vibes about the device. This is just look too good, and I have to say it's look absolutely beautiful in that matte finish color option. Moving forward, we have a news about the supply chain issue that might have an impact right away on the Galaxy S22 series launch. Well, according to the news coming from South Korea, that the supply chain issue for the S22 series causes the delay from February 8th to February 18th for the launch of the upcoming Galaxy S22 series, which means that in international market we might actually see the device to be launched in the month of March. And finally, we have seen a brand new teaser video that was posted on Samsung Exynos Twitter account. This kind of a sign that something is coming regarding for their big official chip announcement. According to Exynos, something will come out officially regarding the Exynos 2200 chip in early January of 2022. Regardless of what performance we are gonna see, Samsung is making history by bringing the RDNA GPU for the first time on a mobile device. Is going to be a big deal. So guys, that's all the latest news. I am happy about the glossy back finish that is coming for the S22 series, and really it's going to make the device even premium. Also, the red color option is looking so much stunning, so hope that this device will be coming with same kind of a color option. And you guys, what do you think about this new design and the glossy look? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Be sure to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Peace.